in. Now, I want to point out that in every single case except Groupon, he actually did get back to even, and then he had a remarkable ride to much higher prices as the blessings of the social, mobile, and cloud capabilities kicked in. And the analyst who has done the best pre-IPO analysis of Twitter, a real good guy named Robert Peck from SunTrust, is saying he would feel comfortable paying up to $40 for the stock, which is $12 more than what I was hoping to use as my upper limit at $28 and change. And his, the $28 and change amounts to $20 billion. He wants to pay, says you should be willing to pay more than that. But even Peck, who's rigorous and shrewd, and I did mock him initially because I don't like to see research done of a company that's not yet public, but he's done rigorous work. He's a shrewd observer of the space, and he says his ultimate target is $50. 50, 5-0. In other words, he believes that Twitter's going to be worth almost twice what I think you should pay for it. All that said, here's my fear. Peck may be right, and I may be right. Twitter might get to $50 eventually, but will it reach 50 before visiting 25 or 23? Will it go to 50 but shake you out at 20 on some swoon related to Washington? Worse, will it open at 50 so the upside's taken out from the start? No matter. What I care about is this. I am giving you my blessing to pay up to $28 for Twitter, which starts trading on Thursday. That's far more, by the way, than people were talking about paying for the company just 2 weeks ago, even as nothing new has happened to it. Yes, a few weeks ago, people were laughing at me. They were laughing at me as if I were Carrie, saying I thought $20 billion made sense. The highest I heard back then when people were cackling was $15 billion. I didn't know a soul at $20 billion. Now, again, with no new information, I'm suddenly the low man on the totem pole? Hey, come on, that's just wrong. And worse, it's risky. So here is my bottom line. I don't want you to take out the big boys at high prices. I don't want you to be the reason they make money on the Twitter deal and you don't. I want the company's sales and earnings to be the reasons. So don't go nuts. Take a deep breath. Be conscious there is a price that's too high. And may you get as much Twitter on the IPO as possible and as little after that. Arnold in California.